Well, Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls is joining in now to tell us, what the way forward should look like. Sacchitanand, thanks a lot for being with us on the show. It's a lackluster market. The good part is that the Nifty has recovered from the lows, but the bad part is that, we haven't really seen the market building on to any of its gains. So what do you do at this point with the Nifty down about 50 odd points? Do you think that this 19,500 level can get scaled up convincingly? And what are the stocks to look at now?
Good afternoon, Sonia. Sonia, yes, we are looking at some stability here. In fact, on Monday, we saw a bullish hammer formation on the daily scale. And this particular formation has, occurred right at the support of the declining channel trend that we have been observing for the last 2 weeks. So I think there is a good amount of stability which is witnessed. We don't see the 19,300 mark getting breached during this particular week. And probably the recovery on the higher side could extend towards 19,530 eventually, where its 20-day exponential moving average is placed. So right now, the bias when it comes to Nifty is on the positive side. We are expecting a move towards 19,420, 440 during the day itself, and probably this particular move can get extended towards 19,530 during the end of this particular week itself. So the bias stays positive, but when we look at Nifty Bank, I think the 44,000 mark would be very critical, and that's why we believe that even if the bounce back happens here, it may not be sustainable. So probably Bank Nifty may remain range bound within 43,400, 500 on the lower side, and 44,000 may be capped. When it comes to stock, I think RBL Bank is one particular stock that has been trending lower. A couple of weeks back, we saw an engulfing bearish formation on its weekly scale. If you look at the current price, formation, it has slipped below its 5 and 20-day exponential moving average, and plus the OI addition has been substantial. So we are expecting a further breakdown in prices, and that's why we are recommending building fresh short positions here when it comes to RBL Bank. The trading target could be somewhere close to around 210, but eventually we see 200 levels coming in. So the stop loss should be placed at around 222, and fresh short positions can be added in RBL Bank. On the positive side, Astral is one particular stock that has been very consistently, attracting a fair amount of long build-up. If you look at the price action there, we are seeing inverse head and shoulder kind of formation on the daily scale, with its neckline, which is placed somewhere close to 2020. So that's why we have recommended building long positions here. From a trading perspective, we are expecting a move towards 2050. But from a positional perspective, we are expecting a move towards 2160 as per the pattern target. So we are recommending building longs here with a stop loss at around 1985.
Okay, just a quick word. I wanted your thoughts on these IT stocks, which have been fairly resilient and seeing buying. Infosys, for example, is up 3% this week, though one day was off. But nonetheless, what is your opinion on taking stock-specific positions in IT?
We are still confident about the price movements in LTI Mindtree and L&T Technology Services. So if you look at both the structures, they are showing similar kind of formations. When it comes to a particular stock, then we are confident that L&T Mindtree could see a move towards 5,400 soon. And that's why we are still recommending building long positions here with a stop loss somewhere close to around 5,140.
Okay, all right, Sacchitanand, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in and speaking to CNBC TV18. Let's take a short break. Up next.